Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. This one's going to be a little bit different because this is going to be an unboxing video. Tanchjim was very generous in sending me some of their new products that they're releasing very soon. So the OLA II, they sent me both the 3.5mm and the USB-C DSP version, as well as their new portable DAC, the Space 2. And they also very generously provided some T500 ear tips here that I'm very curious to check out. So let's get right into the unboxing. Let's do the 3.5mm version of this first. So very excited to see these new IEMs. I think there's been quite a bit of hype about these, and well, there we go. Look at that. We're just going to move some of this away here, and we're going to just focus on here. So that looks pretty cool. So this came out of the top. This is just a package of the travel case with ear tips. So that's a pretty nice fabric case. Not bad at all. And the included ear tips here. So these are all silicone ear tips of different sizes. And here is the OLA II. So this is the IEMs themselves. So we're just going to gently push these out. Make sure that we do not damage anything. Usually not my favorite type of packaging when they do this, because they can be a little bit finicky to get out. So you just have to be a little bit careful. Like that. So this is what they look like. So that is the OLA II. I think they look they're very light, to be honest with you. Like, they are shockingly light. And there is the 2-pin connector. They're slightly recessed, not too recessed, but just slightly. This does feel nice. So it looks like it's plastic here with maybe aluminum here. The nozzle seems to be a little bit slightly larger than average. Yeah, I think these look pretty damn nice. I like the utilitarian look of them. So then, of course, we have the cable here. This is just, you know, your usual 3.5mm cable with a inline control for playback controls and a microphone. And we'll just take this off. I will have to use the knife to do this. Cable feels pretty nice. It's very light. It has a sort of a plasticky feel to it. Not too bad though. I like that it's very thin. And if we just connect it to the IEM, so they have indicators for left and right with the blue and red. So obviously red is right, blue is left. So I do not think that on the IEM itself it has left and right indicator. Oh yes, it does. So if you can maybe just see, let's see here. There is a subtle right that you can see here. So red, right. I'm gonna go in there, and left. I'm gonna go in here. Nice. So this is the 3.5mm version with the inline control. Man, this is so light. I think these are going to be really nice to listen to. So that 3.5mm version, and now we will do the DSP version. Only difference is going to be the cable, I believe. We will find that out for sure. I do like the unboxing experience. This has just enough like resistance so that it very nicely and conveniently comes out. So as we see, it's going to be the same exact IEM, with the only difference being this cable, which has their USB-C DSP connection in here. So I'm actually really looking forward to this because it gives you a lot of flexibility to plug into like a laptop or a smartphone or a game console, that kind of thing. You know, like my Nintendo Switch, I can plug it into that. It also has an inline control, so I have playback controls as well as a microphone. So this cable feels exactly the same as the 3.5 millimeter, just with this USB-C connection on it. And of course the IEMs themselves are going to be exactly the same. Again, very excited with that. If we look in here, we're going to have the same accessories. So the case with the ear tips. Overall, very nice presentation, I think. I think you would agree with that. All right, let's take a look at the Space 2. So this is their new portable DAC amp. Obviously a improvement over the Space 1. And it is, wow, it is tiny. And I think that looks damn nice. So it's all aluminum. You can see inside it has a window, so you can see sort of some of the interior components. Nice color, nice Tanchjim logo. On the side here, there is buttons for volume. On the one side is a USB-C connection, and on the other side is a 3.5 millimeter and a 4.4 millimeter balanced connection. And of course, Space 2. So here is going to be the OTG cable, which is nice to see. I also see they included a USB-C to USB-A adapter. Also nice to see that. Oh, this is a nice cable actually. So we're connected here. That has a very nice color scheme to it. I think it looks pretty damn nice. It looks like it's just enough length to be just, you know, a nice, decent cable. So we're just going to take it out. This is sort of wrapped in plastic, it feels like, so it does feel very plasticky, but that's going to probably help reinforce the longevity of this cable. And of course, we have a USB-C to USB-A adapter. And if we go into the documentation here, we're just going to have, well, you know, some basic documentation and a guide. So that is the Space 2 portable DAC amp. And here we have the T500 silicone ear tips. These I'm looking forward to because, well, they are sort of like that dual hardness structure, so it should be reinforced while not being too soft. Oh, that'll work. Nice. As you can see, there's that interior structure there. These look very nice, very good. This is the small one. I have medium and large as well. Just for my ears though, I think small is probably going to do it. I will be using these in my reviews of the OLA II 3.5mm and the DSP version. So look for that. I'll also use the included ear tips just to get a comparison, but I will be using the T500 for the majority of those reviews, I think, because I do like these sort of like silicone gel ear tips. They look very nice. They always have like a nice, good seal with them. I am looking forward to trying these out. Again, that's the T500 ear tips. So that is my little unboxing of Tanchjim's new products, the Space 2, as well as the OLA II 3.5mm and DSP version. So I will have reviews on these soon, and I hope you guys can stick around and we'll be here for those. Like and subscribe, like this video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of those reviews. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.